Hi there, thanks for coming back to the channel. The title for today's video is I started a TikTok account. This is why. Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts after the break. Hi there. If you've not subscribed already, okay, today's video is a bit different. I've started a challenge. Well, I just want to explain myself. I've started an account on TikTok and I'll examine the account, but I just want to talk to you about why I did that, and then we can get into it. So TikTok, as you know, is a different platform. It's a short video platform with vertical footage rather than horizontal footage, that you might see on YouTube. It's similar in many ways to Vine. For those of you who remember Vine was around a few years ago and then was wound up and closed down. But TikTok is very much here to stay. Lots of users. I might put a figure down below saying the monthly active users for TikTok when I edit this. So my rationale behind why I wanted to start an account on TikTok. Here you can see my YouTube homepage, and I'm very grateful for the 12,400 subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. So you can see I've got all of these content marketing related playlists. So you've got your content and social media questions answered, and LinkedIn, etc. LinkedIn is one of my specialist areas. Of course, you can see why I stopped using using LinkedIn Sales Navigator is my most popular video, I think. In terms of views. Anyway, let's go down. You can see I've addressed also another niche in the videos that I've made for YouTube, and that niche is the making money niche. So most of my videos are about content marketing, social media, and that's where my business is focused. But I also have an interest and business interests within this making money niche. So I have videos about affiliate marketing. I have videos about how individuals can make money from home, how they can make money using Amazon, etc. Also some other, let me just scroll back here. You can see some other videos. So how to monetize Twitter with affiliate marketing program there, Amazon business, various affiliate marketing programs. So you can see I've covered also the make money niche, and I thought that TikTok, with its shorter focused content, would be a good environment to test more of the money making niche videos. So I'm not trying to create videos about LinkedIn on TikTok. I don't think that would be appropriate. I don't think that would be a winning strategy. What I'm doing is making content in the very popular niche. The make money online niche is one of the largest niches of all, and so it's very big on YouTube, also on Google. If you were to search for articles, it's very big there. But it's also of interest to the younger demographic on TikTok. So I've decided to create a focus around my TikTok account on the making money niche. Look at different methodologies to make money, and I will demonstrate those that I've experienced, experimented with, and so on. So that's what I've done on TikTok. And so the sort of content that I'm highlighting on TikTok would be in this learnmoney.io, and learnmoney.io is not just the name of a playlist, it's also a website of the same name that I've created. So there's lots of personal finance focused and money making activities on the learnmoney.io website, so you can check that out if you've not been there already. Let's go now to the TikTok account. So I just want to, this is when I started the experiment, or the challenge if you like, on February the 18th, and I tweeted about it, and I said I'd forgotten what it's like to start a new platform. I'm now on TikTok and have no audience, and that's absolutely true. I still don't have an audience. Follow me, I need friends. And that was on the 18th of Feb. So I'm recording on the 19th, so it's not very I've not got very long into this experiment. But let's have a look at TikTok. Here I am on TikTok. Here's my profile. You can see I've posted three TikToks, one about earning cryptocurrency, one about getting paid for referring friends for jobs, and a third about how to get paid for participating in market research studies. So just 3 TikToks. and the first one has 139 views, which is not a lot for TikTok standards. I've just got started, obviously, so I'll hold my hand up there and say this is start the experiment. And then the other two, I've had to edit one of them and then re-upload it. And this one I posted initially a few hours ago, so I've not got very far. I've got 2 followers, 4 likes, and I'm following 4 people. So if you're interested in following my experiment on TikTok, seeing how I get on, and also you know, asking questions and experimenting for yourself and your own business, because I can't give a universal answer and say all businesses should be on TikTok, not necessarily the truth. So you should consider your own objectives from a marketing communications point of view, and whether you should be experimenting or using TikTok. And what I've noticed already, so these are initial results, I've noticed that when you make a video, a TikTok, and you refer to one of your videos on YouTube, you do get people going from TikTok to your YouTube video. Because TikTok, you've got 15 seconds and 60 seconds. Those are the duration limits that you can pick from. So there's only so much information you can communicate in that time. If people want to see the full video, then they can go to your YouTube and you can reference that. It's not easy to reference it in the caption, or in the I should show you one of these captions. It's not easy to reference it in the caption because you can't put links there. You can use relevant hashtags and FYPs for you page, and then you could ask people to search for you in YouTube, or you can ask them to cut and paste a shortened link, and then they can go straight to your video in YouTube. So that's what I've been doing. So I've noticed the results of this, and it's only been a couple of days. The results of me posting on TikTok have been, I've seen a little bit more traffic around these content areas to the corresponding YouTube videos. I've not seen any change to Twitter accounts or anything like that, or LinkedIn accounts. Just seen a bit of traffic from TikTok to YouTube, which is good. That's a benefit. And I've seen, because I highlight in these videos, I highlight the respective links. If there's a sign up link or an introductory link, I've seen an increase in clicks on those links, and because they are related to the content that's in the TikToks. So that's it. That's been my the start of this TikTok experiment. I will continue to upload. I have a content strategy, so I know what I'm going to put on there in terms of the money-making niche videos relating to money-making activities. People are obviously suffering in many ways. Some people are furloughed, some people have lost their jobs because of the global pandemic. So anything that can help individuals earn more money and improve their personal finances will be, I think there'll be a good audience for that on TikTok. So that's my content strategy. The upload strategy I've not finalized yet. I will try and do, you know, at least a few TikToks a week. It'll be nice to see where we are when I've got to 30, 40, 50 TikToks, and see if any of them are getting more traction. But I just wanted to share that experiment with you. Not gone very far yet, just a couple of days in. But I'm on TikTok. If you're on TikTok, please, you know, follow me, connect with me there, and I will connect with you. If you've got any questions about TikTok from a complete beginner's perspective, you can ask me. And I'll answer those. Have you considered TikTok for your business? Let me know in the comment section below. Okay, that's it. I'm going to update this as and when. I'm going to document my progress on as and when I continue with TikTok and see what happens, and then come back to you via video. Thank you for watching all the way through. If this has been of interest to you, please give me a like. If you haven't subscribed already, you want to watch the next video, click on one or two screenshots. And that'll come up now, and I look forward to speaking to you next time. Thanks. Bye bye.